Hello, my name is Amy Godley. I work in Merit Medical Galway. Today actually is my second year anniversary of working in Merit Medical Galway, which is very exciting. So today I'm going to show you how to make this really cool wave machine you have in front of me. So you need 3 ingredients to make it, or 3 props. You need tape, you need kebab sticks, and you need gummy bears. So in order to make your kebab stick gummy bears, all you do is get a kebab stick and put a gummy bear in either end of it. So this is really, really easy to make. The most important part of making this is the tape needs to be in tension. So what we use is retort stands and clamps in our lab. You can do this at home really, really easily. You can use 2 chairs, you can use banister, you can use 2 sweeping brushes. The most important thing is keep this in tension and you're golden. In order to make it and if it becomes lopsided, the best thing to do is move the gummy bears back and forth along the kebab sticks, and that will stabilize it a bit more. Yeah, that's how to build it. It's pretty simple to do. So a wave, the first thing I want to talk about is a wave. A wave is a repeating movement of particles. And during this movement, energy is transferred from one particle to the next, and this is called propagation. So a single pulse through this wave machine is where I press this down. You'll see the entire wave, the entire disturbance move from one end of the wave machine to the other. But as you can see, the jelly babies aren't actually moving, it's the tape that's moving. This is what's causing the disturbance. So if you move one section of tape, as you can see, the next piece of tape moves the next piece of tape, and so on and so forth. But the jelly babies are only used to add mass to the system. They just slow the entire thing down. So this is why we have this second setup. So these are the cola bottles we're using are a lot heavier than marshmallows. Marshmallows are extremely light. So as you can see, if I move this one, it doesn't move half as much as the top one. So amplitude, the second one is amplitude. Amplitude of the wave is how high a frequency of the wave is. So as you can see, if I jingle this up and down, you'll see the wave frequency is quite short, but the frequency is quite long. So in order to increase the speed of the wave, what we did was we got rid of the marshmallows from the end of this wave machine. And as you can see from the bottom of this wave machine is a lot faster. It speeds it up a lot more. Give this a go at home, give it a go with your teacher. It's really, really good fun. Thanks a million for watching. I hope you enjoyed it.